Is your fridge water tasting funky or ice looking cloudy? It's likely time to replace the water filter. Welcome to HnKParts. Today, we'll show you how to spot when your LG refrigerator water filter needs replacing and where to get top quality replacements. Let's dive in. These filters reduce lead by up to 99.3%, cysts by up to 99.99%, chlorine for better taste and odor, and other contaminants like mercury, asbestos, and select pesticides. With a tool-free twist and lock design, replacement is easy to use. Your LG fridge's water filter ensures clean, safe water and ice, but it wears out over time. Check the filter indicator light on the door panel or inside the fridge. Green or blue means it's good, yellow warns it's nearing the end, and red signals an immediate replacement, usually every 6 months or after filtering 200 to 300 gallons, depending on your model and household water usage. No indicator light? Watch for clear signs. Water or ice tasting like chlorine or metal, an odd smell, or sluggish dispenser flow. Cloudy, small, or slow-forming ice cubes mean the filter is clogged with sediments and can't remove harmful contaminants like lead, cysts, or bacteria effectively, compromising your water's safety. LG recommends replacing your filter every 6 months to maintain pure, great-tasting water and protect your fridge's system. Heavy users, like big families, may need a new one sooner, around 4 to 5 months. Always check your manual for the correct filter model, like LT1000P or AGF8030704, for a perfect fit. Set a calendar reminder to stay ahead. Ready for fresh, clean water? Visit HnKParts.com for authentic LG water filters at unbeatable prices. Shop now to ensure your fridge delivers pure, refreshing water every time. Want more appliance tips? Follow us on social media for daily hacks, exclusive deals, and expert advice. If this helped you keep your water pure, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.